If you can't sell, you will stay broke. I'm serious. You will miss job offers, lose clients, get rejected in relationships, all because no one ever taught you how to sell yourself. And no, I'm not talking about being a sleazy salesperson. I'm talking about the only skill that secretly controls everything in your life. Here's the truth: sales is not about tricking people into buying stuff they don't need, it's about influence. It's about making people see the value you bring in business, in conversations, in life. Every time you have walked out of a job interview thinking, I know I was the best fit, why didn't they pick me? That's a sales problem. Every time a client ghosted you after your proposal, sales. Every time someone ignored your idea in a meeting, yep, sales. Sales is like oxygen in business, invisible but absolutely vital. You don't notice it until you are gasping for it. Let's break it down. Sales is the most powerful skill on the planet. And here's why. Number one, emotionally, it makes you unshakable. Imagine walking into a room knowing exactly how to speak so people listen. No awkward pauses, no second guessing yourself. Sales teaches you how to own the moment. Number two, psychologically, it rewires your brain. Instead of avoiding rejection, you start chasing conversations. You learn to read people, understand them, handle objections, not take them personally. Ever seen someone lose their cool over one no? Yeah, they never learned sales. Number three, financially. It's a cheat code. You could be the best designer, editor, or freelancer alive, but if you can't sell yourself, someone 50% as skilled will steal out on you. Because income doesn't follow skill, it follows perceived value. The sales is how you control that perception. I know freelancers stuck at 2K per month working nonstop. Then there's the guy who can close. Not as good technically, but he's making 10K per every month. Here's the part that flips everything upside down. You are already selling every single day. You just didn't know it. Your resume, there's a sales pitch. Your Instagram bio, a pitch. When you are in a job interview, on a first date, or convincing your friends to hit your favorite restaurant, you are selling every time. Sales is not just for salespeople, it's for humans who want anything: influence, respect, opportunity, freedom. If you have ever said, I'm not good at sales, what you really mean is, I'm not good at getting what I want. And here is the analogy that changed the game for me. Sales is like gravity. You can't ignore it, pretend it doesn't matter, but it's still pulling on you. It's always working either for you or against you. Let's get brutally honest for a second. If you don't learn sales, you will work twice as hard for half the reward. You will keep delivering amazing work and wondering why people don't see your value. You will keep undercharging, over apologizing, and getting overlooked, while less talented people pass you by. I have seen this happen again and again. One friend of mine, brilliant guy, graphic designer, heart of gold, but couldn't pitch to save his life. Years went by and he stayed stuck at 1.5K per month, just scraping by. Another guy, honestly, not as creative, but he could talk. He could close. He learned sales. That guy's doing 20K per month now and built his own agency in under a year. That's what sales does. It multiplies your skill. It gives you talent a voice. Without it, you stay invisible. With it, you become unignorable. So, if this made you rethink everything you thought you knew about sales, don't just sit on it. This channel is here to give you the real stuff, not fluff. I break down how to communicate, close, and actually build a life that pays you for your value. So, if you're ready to stop being ignored and start being in control, hit subscribe, drop like if this hit home, and comment I'm ready if you're done playing small. Let's turn this skill into your superpower. The people who win in life, they are not always the smartest or the most talented or even the hardest working. They're the ones who know how to sell their ideas, their vision, themselves. Because if you can't sell, you have to wait. Wait for someone to notice you, pick you, validate you. But when you can sell, you don't wait. You create. And that's the only skill you will ever need. Sales is the gateway. The sooner you learn it, the sooner you are free.